Thank you for choosing home care, our video call service that allows you to have an online appointment with a nurse practitioner. Let's create your account. Begin by finding the email from Canadian Cannabis Clinics indicating you have a new appointment. When opened, you will see "Click here to visit your account." Once clicked on, you will be prompted to create a password. Once your password has been created, select Enter. Use the following steps to set up your Android phone or tablet. Begin by opening your Google Play Store. Tap the search bar and type CCC Home Care. Once typed, click on the magnifying glass in the bottom right corner to search. Tap to select the app. Click Install. This will begin the download. Once the download is completed, select Open. This will prompt you to log in. Enter your email and the password you created. Once in the app, you will see your appointment with the date and time and a Join Call button. This button will be gray until 10 minutes before your appointment, when it will turn blue, as shown here. Click then to join call. If pop-ups appear, be sure to click Allow. Please be sure to have your photo ID and prescriptions ready and to join the video call 10 minutes before your scheduled appointment time. Thank you for choosing home care. We'll see you soon.